Hello, homestay operators. Let's dive right in. This is the bedroom I offer to guests in my homestay. I will show you how to keep this room neat and tidy. I separate the cleaners that are used for cleaning into empty bottles at home. It reduces the cost. Let's wear the gloves and be ready. First of all, I open the windows, then clear the cobwebs, and remove the used bed sheets, pillow covers, and duvet covers from the bed. I also clean the AC unit in the room. After using the cleaners, I clean the headboard, cupboards, and the tables. I ensure to remove the dust from the switches and bulbs as well. I clean the windows and mirrors by using the glass cleaner to ensure that it is spotless. This little cupboard can be used to iron clothes, store some stuff, and keep it in the bedroom as a small table. To make the room look nice, I always maintain this flower pot. Once I finish cleaning, I vacuum or sweep the floor thoroughly. As soon as I'm done with this work, I remove the dustbin in the room and put a new cover. This cupboard is where I store the bed sheets, pillows, duvets, and towels that I need in this room. I'm going to keep all the towels on the top of the rack and make the bed. I put a mattress protector on the mattress before putting it on the bed sheet. This helps to prolong the mattress's life. I put the bed sheet neatly like this. I also put the duvet on the bed in this way. After arranging it well, I put the pillows on the bed. I also put a pillow protector on the pillow. Normally, I have 2 pillows of 2 sizes for one guest like this. Finally, I put the carpet near the bed and see if it's all right. As a habit, I write down things. That does not make me miss anything. Look at the beauty of my homestay bedroom. Thanks for having me.